Looking for a way to force stop X, Twitter on your PC with the new update? Look no further. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to quickly and easily force stop X, Twitter. First, you will need to press the Ctrl plus Shift plus S hotkeys simultaneously to open the task manager. This is where you will be able to see all the processes running on your PC, including X, Twitter. Next, scroll through the list of processes until you find all the ones that are browser-related. These are the services that X, Twitter, is running on your PC. Once you have located them, click on each one to select them. With the browser-related services selected, you will see the option to End Task in the right bottom corner of the Task Manager window. Click on this option to force Stop X, Twitter, from running on your PC. And that's it. You have successfully stopped X, Twitter, on your PC with the new update. Remember to regularly check your task manager to ensure that X, Twitter, isn't running in the background and consuming your PC's resources. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to force stop X, Twitter on your PC. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.